your funnel. So it looks like the funnel has a screen to prevent impurities. Seems pretty basic. That's off. That would be low. That would be high light. Your pump on the side. Red fuel lever must be off. Open pump, 1 turn, pump 25 full strokes, close pump. Hold match at burner. Move red fuel lever to light high. As soon as burner lights, open pump 1 turn and pump for 30 seconds, close pump. To extinguish or fuel flames appear below burner, immediately turn level off. Valve is off. Turn this out. Thumb over the hole. With your thumb over the hole, you can feel it get tight. So when you feel it get tight, tighten it up, right? So the reason why they say is to heat this pipe is because it helps vaporize it. So let me just do that. See how much easier that was? And then once you got it going, pump it up some more. Just gonna turn it down a little bit. Try to shoot it in the dark, so fine tune it and then crank it up to high if you want, but you can already see some of the metal is glowing red hot.
I'm gonna be looking forward to trying this out for sure. Nice heat coming off. I think it's gonna be way better than trying to use those propane bottles. You know what, let's try this out. I just filled it up with some water. So let's get that stove fired up. See how long it takes to boil something. I just got the stove maybe a little past the low mark and just boiling some water. Oh yeah, there you go. We're boiling. We are boiling.